Welcome! goelU is a flexible and very accessible platform that allows you to view the information you create and upload to the platform through the File Manager section. File Manager is where the administrator's files are displayed. The screen is divided in 3 tabs: Videos, Audios, and Files. The files can be viewed from the platform, and it can support almost every type of files, such as PNG, JPEG, MP3, MP4, DOC, PDF, PPT, and XLS. On this platform, you can search any file by filtering topics or typing the name or date of the file you are searching for. Navigate the platform using the menu of functionalities found on the left side of the screen. You can also use the blue buttons at the top of the screen for quick access. On this screen, you will visualize information about every file uploaded to the platform, such as title, a brief description of the file, the date it was created, and the date it is scheduled to be delivered. The delivery status and the contacts with whom you have shared your memories are also displayed. This icon allows you to download the files. This icon allows you to view your file in a full screen. To edit the file information, you can use this icon. Editing is possible as long as the file has not been sent. If you really liked the content that you uploaded, you can also forward it to another contact with this button. If you're not sure about submitting a file, you can always delete the content and start over. With goelU, you will have control over your memories.
goelU.